Tokunbo Olagbaiye is my name. I want to talk about 10 years rule for you to obtain your settlement in the United Kingdom. A lot of people are making application for them to apply for settlement following their parents' route 10 years in the UK without completing the actual 10 years or 4 times in the United Kingdom. There is a clear difference between long residence and the conditions for giving you parents' route 10 years. The parents' route, you have to complete it to 28 days before you can apply for your indefinite leave to remain. If you apply for parents' route at the exact of 10 years, while you still have almost 1 year or 2 years to go on your indefinite, on your parents' route 10 years time, it will be refused. It will surely be refused. So I urge you that you should be careful in your decision making to apply for indefinite leave to remain. In the indefinite leave to remain, it's a combination of lawful residence. She needs to come down, say. It's a combination of lawful residence, with leave to enter or remain. You can even add additional of your visitor visa while you were a student, while you on the parents' route. You can use that, but you cannot use the time 10 years that you have been given. You cannot rely on that. So you will need to understand that as soon as possible, so that you don't get it mixed up. So the long residence IR 276 regime is asking for continuous lawful residence in the United Kingdom, continuous lawful residence in the UK. Continuous lawful residence in the UK means that there hasn't been any break or any broken period in the year that you have entered UK. Say for example, you came in on the visit visa, or let's say visitor visa, change to student, change to skilled workers, and you just put the combination together, 10 years, you can use it, but not on parents' route. If you're 10 years parents' route or partner route, you have to complete your 4 terms on your parents' route or partner route. That is a requirement. You must complete your 4 terms. A lot of people don't know that is the situation, and in total absence of it, you cannot spend more than certain days outside the country or certain months outside the country. You have to fulfill the residual requirement, which is the habitual residence requirement, when we are talking of who and who can apply to stay in the UK. So let's get that right as well. Also, the period of overstaying of long residency can be treated, while some people will be lucky enough to have accrued a decade of consecutive period of leave. Others may have breaks in their leave, and such breaks in leave cannot be condoned. It depends, because if it's very short and it's no more than, say, office return document back to you and say, no, correct this is not right, then you can use that. So short break in your what is it called, in the gap, can be acceptable, and you can even use appeal period to count as part of your 10 years continuous residence. You can use appeal period as well. It is important you understand what can be put together for combination of 10 years lawful residence, but overstaying of more than 14 days would not be counted. Gaps will not be counted, and if you have too many appeals in, it will not be acceptable, because at a certain stage, some appeal will break your continuity of Section 3C rights, which basically means that you will not be able to rely on it. So that's the situation. So we look at it from that time. Tokunbo Olagbaiye is my name. I'm on 0208-309-8808 on all matters of immigration and nationality law. Take legal advice. My WhatsApp is 07908-628-240. Take legal advice on all matters of immigration and nationality law. Until next time, take care of yourself.